In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Holy Bible app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to download the right Bible app on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just go to your Google Play Store and tap on it. From Google Play Store, go ahead and tap on search here, or you can use the search above here and just type in Bible. And to search for the Bible app, tap on this search icon. And here you can see we have various versions of the Bible. So go through the versions of the Bible you wish. And once you have found it, it's time to download. For my case, I want this version, so I'll tap on it. And this is a Bible from life.church. Currently, at the time of recording this, it has over 7 million reviews with 4.9 ratings, and it is about 18 MBs, and it has over 100 million downloads. To download it, go ahead and click on install, and this will go ahead and begin the download process. And once the download is done, now you can go ahead and open it by tapping on open here. So if I also go back and go to my apps, you can see now the Bible app is here. Now the good thing is you can use even this Bible when you are offline. So that's how you can download the Bible app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.